Alright guys, we're back here with part 2 of how to downshift. Just getting ready to go on the road here. In just a few, I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to demonstrate how to downshift. I apologize in advance if you guys cannot see what my what the shift knob is doing. Yeah, so I apologize for that in advance, but this is the best I can do. So we're in the middle of traffic right now. We're just going to let me just get onto a bigger road here. Just give me a few seconds, and hopefully I can get back past all this traffic and then get onto a bigger road, and then I'll show you guys how to demonstrate it, how to downshift properly. Hopefully there's no one tailing behind me. I fucking hate it when people tail behind me. Oh, fuck, there's a red light. I was gonna do it right here. Shit. Just give me a second. I don't know why today there's a lot of traffic. Also, now that we're on the topic of downshifting, in one of my videos I mentioned that putting it in neutral and throwing it back into gear can come in very handy. And I will demonstrate for you guys in another video why that is. I don't know why, but it's fucking... Okay. So when I downshift, I'm gonna let you guys know that I'm gonna go for a downshift. But it's just too much traffic. Again, I apologize if you guys cannot see what I'm doing with the shift knob here. But this is the best I can do. Another thing that people do is downshifting when slowing down. Personally, I don't do that. I just use the brakes. Yeah, you don't really need to slow down and downshift. I know there's some people that do that. If you want to do that, that's fine. By all means, go ahead. You know. But for me, when I slow down, I just use the brakes. So what I'm doing, I know this is a downshifting video, but I just want to throw it out there. what I'm doing is when I'm coming to a stop, I'm getting as close to the car in front of me as possible, and then I put it in neutral, and then I use the brake. I don't do it from 10 feet away, 30 feet away. I do it maybe like when I'm a couple of feet away, or sorry, a couple of inches away. Now right now we're just waiting for the green light here. I don't know. It's gonna be hard to, with all this traffic. It's gonna be hard to find. It's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard to find a opportunity here to downshift. And for me, like I said, I don't downshift when I'm slowing down. I just use the brake. It's whatever. So right now I'm just going in third gear, just because all the traffic is just really slow here. I'll probably downshift for you guys once I get a good opportunity, and then I go to. Okay, so right now I'm in fourth gear, and I want to downshift it into third. So what I usually do is, because my RPM is about 2,500, I'm going to slow down, okay, to below 2,000 RPM. Once I'm about 1,800 RPM, downshift right there, clutch comes up nice and slowly, give it gas, and just like that, I'm in third. Alright, I apologize again if you guys couldn't see that properly. Again, this is the best that I can do. But yeah, so anyways, that's just downshifting. Again, it's going to take a lot of practice. I'll put to make it easier, I might put the steps in the description box, just to make it easier. I know there was a video that I saw on how to downshift properly. The uploader, he put the steps in the video, so it made it a lot easier for me. But yeah, I'm going to sign off here, and I'm going to head on home before it rains, because it's fucking cloudy. But yeah, just that's just a rough idea on how to downshift, just my perspective on it. People they just keep on coming. Alright, yeah, so I'm going to sign off here. Sorry about that, guys. I was just focusing on the road. But yeah, I'm going to sign off here. I'm going to head on home. And I'll see you guys next time. If you guys aren't living in the area where there's nice weather, enjoy we have over here, it's shitty weather. So I can't really enjoy the weather here. But anyways, guys, have a good night, and I'll see you guys soon. Cheers.